Imagine holding a lottery ticket as your heart races as the numbers are called out one by one, and you suddenly realize it matches in an instant. Your life has changed, but what if I told you that it's not just luck? According to Nostradamus, there are 4 particular zodiac signs that are set to experience unbelievable lottery luck in 2.5. The stars are aligning, and for a select few their financial fortunes are about to come true, so your zodiac signs are among the lucky ones. Join us as we reveal the 4 zodiac signs that Nostradamus predicted would become rich this year. For centuries, Nostradamus has amazed the world with his magic and his magical predictions, many of which have surprisingly come true. From wars to political upheavals to sudden surges in wealth, he seemed to be ahead of his time with his visions. But did you know that his predictions also point to incredible opportunities for wealth for a select few zodiac signs in 225? According to astrology, the movement of celestial bodies can affect luck, wealth, and even lottery winnings this year. The universe is paving the way for an extraordinary financial breakthrough, but only for a lucky few. Powerful planetary movements and rare cosmic events will open the door to untold wealth for the 4 lucky zodiac signs. If you belong to one of them, this could be your golden year, the opportunity you have been waiting for. So, which zodiac signs will the stars bless with tremendous lottery luck, and how you can boost your fortune? Let's explore Nostradamus' amazing prediction and find out if your sign is on the list for the cosmic change. Why is 2.5 special for lottery luck? The universe moves in cycles, and 2.5 is destined to be the year where destiny and wealth meet. According to astrology, the movement of the planets has the ability to affect not only our emotions and relationships, but also our finances. Based on ancient teachings, there are some celestial events that a person's ability to attract wealth could be greatly enhanced this year. The alignment of Jupiter, the planet of abundance, and Uranus, the planet of sudden change, will open up extraordinary opportunities for major financial breakthroughs. One of the most powerful astrological events in 2025 is Jupiter's transit to Taurus, a zodiac sign with a deep connection to material wealth, stability, and luxury. This transition is very important because Jupiter expands whatever it touches, meaning financial blessings could come in unexpected ways, including big lottery wins for 4 specific zodiac signs. This alignment will provide a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to experience a sudden and unexpected upswing in life when it comes to money. But that's not all. 2 powerful eclipses in April and October will act as cosmic triggers, a night of energy and opening up opportunities. Historically, the M eclipse has been known to bring sudden and unexpected events, and for those destined to win, this could be the moment when the universe bestows its greatest blessings. It also teaches astrologers have long known the role of auspicious planetary transits like Venus in Leo and the powerful alignment of Mercury and Jupiter that boost the energy in attracting wealth. When these celestial forces come together, the perfect storm for prosperity is created. However, not everyone will benefit from these cosmic changes. Only 4 unique zodiac signs will have the right opportunity at the right time to receive the blessing of wealth. So what are these 4 lucky zodiac signs if your sign is on the list? It could be the 2 of you. 25 is the year when you won't have to worry about money anymore. The 4 lucky zodiac signs and their lottery luck at 2.5. Now that we know why 2.5 is special for wealth and lottery luck, let's dive into Nostradamus' prophecy and find out which 4 zodiac signs are set to experience sudden wins that will change their lives. If your zodiac sign is on this list, the stars are aligned in your favor, so pay attention. Aries, April 21st to April 19th, is the jackpot of the brave risk-taker. Aries, the brave and fearless man of the zodiac, is naturally willing to gamble to get what he wants. 2.5 This trait will be your biggest advantage when it comes to finances. Nostradamus' prediction is in line with astrology because Jupiter, the planet of abundance and luck, will move into your house of wealth and progress. This means that Aries who are struggling financially or have been waiting for a big change for a long time may experience a sudden stroke of luck. Whether it's a lottery jackpot, a sudden inheritance, or an unexpected business success, Aries will feel a huge boost when they least expect it. The most auspicious months for Aries to try their luck are April and October, when Jupiter and Uranus will create a powerful cosmic shift that will boost the chances of sudden wealth. Aries' lucky number will be affected by Mars, its ruling planet, so choose numbers connected to your birth date or use numerology. To be attuned to the energy of Mars if you are the owner, the key to unlocking your lottery luck is about trusting your instincts and being ready to act when opportunity knocks. Buy a ticket as soon as you feel the intuitive pull, because there is a good chance that the universe will reward you for your courage today. 2.5 Taurus, April 20th, May 20th. The earth sign blessed with wealth. Taurus, known for being steadfast and patient, is usually cautious when it comes to money, but on the 2.5, not only will luck knock on your door, it will fall with a blessing. Nostradamus' prediction is in line with the astrological prediction because Jupiter, the planet of abundance, will move directly into Taurus, making it one of the luckiest zodiac signs of the year. What makes this year special for Taurus is the presence of Venus, your ruling planet, which will bring additional financial blessings. Venus is known as the planet of money, luxury, and abundance, so your odds of winning big are higher than ever. Unlike Aries, who needs to act immediately, Taurus should use a strategic approach and choose lotteries with bigger prizes. Play during lucky planetary transits and choose numbers that align with the energy of Venus. The best time for Taurus to try their luck is May and November, especially around the new moon, which will boost the energy of abundance. Pay attention to repeating numbers or dreams about wealth. This could be a sign from the universe indicating an upcoming windfall if you have been seeking financial security for a long time. Your year 2.5. Whether it is a lottery win, a successful investment, or an unexpected financial gift, Taurus will experience a year of abundance. Leo, July 23rd, August 22nd. The golden opportunity. Leos are born leaders. They exude confidence and naturally attract luck. To 225. According to Nostradamus' prediction, Leo's natural magnetism will be even stronger, bringing them financial rewards in ways they never expected. Jupiter's movement in Taurus will create a favorable aspect for Leo, which will boost their luck and increase their chances of sudden wealth. But the real game changer for Leo is the powerful solar eclipse in August, a cosmic event known throughout history for bringing sudden and unexpected changes. For Leos, this could mean an overnight lottery win or a huge financial breakthrough that will provide them with lifelong security. The best months for Leos to take action are July and December, when their ruling planet, the Sun, is at its strongest. Playing the lottery on days when the Sun is in a favorable position, especially during a full moon, will significantly increase their odds of winning. One thing is for sure at 2.5. Luck favors the brave, and there is no zodiac sign braver than Leo. If you are a Leo, trust that the universe is conspired to bring you the financial success you have long desired. Sagittarius, November 22nd, December 21st. The luck of an adventurer. Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, is already one of the luckiest zodiac signs, but in 2025 their natural luck will reach a new level. According to Nostradamus, prophesied that Sagittarius is on the verge of a financial windfall thanks to the rare alignment of Jupiter and Mercury in their sign. This unique combination will enhance their ability to attract wealth, especially in unexpected ways. A small lottery ticket bought without planning could bring in $1 million prize. Or an investment made a few years ago will suddenly increase in value. Being generous will give them an edge in luck. Sagittarius' highest level of luck will be felt in April and August, especially during planetary retrogradation. If they feel a strong desire to choose a specific number, day, or even location when buying a ticket, they should trust their instincts. In 2025, the universe is preparing Sagittarius for a financial adventure they will never forget. If you are a Sagittarius, this is the year when your natural optimism can become a real treasure. How to boost your lottery luck in 2.5. Now that we have discovered the 4 zodiac signs that Nostradamus predicted to experience massive lottery luck in 225, let's talk about how you can boost your winning pot. Although luck plays a big role, astrology teaches that there are specific actions that can help align your energy with abundance. Here are the powerful ways to boost your lottery luck in 2025. Play during your most auspicious planetary transits. Each zodiac sign has unique planetary transits that boost their luck. Aries, Taurus, Leo, and Sagittarius should play the lottery during their peak luck periods. Aries, April and October, especially during Mars alignments. Taurus, May and November, when Venus enhances financial success. Leo, July and December, under strong solar influences. Sagittarius, April and August, when Jupiter expands opportunities. Playing on days when planetary forces are strongest can greatly help to increase your winning pot. 2. Use numerology to choose your lucky number. Each number carries specific energy, and the use of numerology will help to improve your chosen numbers in the vibration of the universe. Here are the numbers to focus on. Aries, Mars-related numbers such as L and 27. Taurus, Venus-ruled numbers such as 615 and 20104. Leo, the power of the Sun is seen in the numbers 110 and L. Sagittarius, the influence of Jupiter strengthens the 312 to 21. If you often see these numbers in your daily life on the receipt address or time of the clock, this may be a signal from the universe. 3. Participate in lotteries with strong jackpot energy. Some lotteries have stronger attraction energy than others. Try to play during jackpot rollovers or special draws because the high collective energy during these times can increase the odds of winning. 4. Use rituals that attract wealth. Many cultures believe in rituals to strengthen money luck. Here are some effective methods. Full moon money ritual. Write your financial desires under the light of the full moon. And visit SAO carrying a lucky talisman. Small crystals like citron or green jade are believed to attract money and prosperity. Burning a bay leaf with your healing. Many spiritual traditions use this method to analyze the universe. Often sends messages through dreams, repeating numbers, or sudden feelings of encouragement. If you feel like you are being pulled towards a particular ticket, place, or number, trust it. Many big lottery winners have said they just had a feeling before they won, so don't ignore your instincts. It could be your guide to the big win. What if your sign is not on the list? If you are watching this video and your zodiac sign is not one of the 4 lucky ones chosen, don't worry. Astrology is not the only thing that determines your financial destiny. Although Aries, Taurus, Leo, and Sagittarius have a cosmic advantage, all have the ability to create their own luck. Here are some ways to boost your abundance pot to 2.5. 1. Check your rising and moon signs. Sometimes there is more. Your rising or moon sign has more influence on financial matters than your sun sign. If you have Aries, Taurus, Leo, or Sagittarius in your astrological chart, you may still experience great opportunities for wealth this year. 2. Use universal wealth strategies. Manifestation techniques. Money affirmations and lucky rituals work for everyone, no matter what their zodiac sign is. The right mindset and energy can help attract abundance. 3. Find your personal astrological transits. Even if your sunshine is not on the list, there may be personal planetary movements in your birth chart that indicate financial blessings. Jupiter transits in your 2nd house, the house of wealth. Venus alignments provide sudden financial blessings. If you want to know your exact planetary, you can consult your birth chart. Your destiny is ultimately yours. Astrology is just a guide, but your actions and mindset will truly determine your success. Trust in your ability to attract abundance. Be open to the right opportunities, and who knows? It could still be 2 to 5 years before your financial success is the final verdict. The 4 luckiest zodiac signs. Out of 225, according to Nostradamus and astrology predictions, Aries, Taurus, Leo, and Sagittarius are the 4 zodiac signs with the highest chances of big lottery wins in 2025. Due to powerful planetary transits, lucky alignments, and cosmic energy focused on them, they have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to manifest financial success. But remember, it is not just luck that determines your future. Even if your zodiac sign is not on the list, being financially disciplined, following your intuition, and being ready for the right opportunity can open doors to prosperity. Are you ready for 2.5? If you are an Aries, Taurus, Leo, or Sagittarius, get ready for an exciting year. And if you are not one of them, don't lose hope. Your big chance might be closer than you think. Do you believe astrology has something to do with financial success? Have you ever had a sudden stroke of luck in the lottery? Share your story in the comments. And if you want more astrological insights and predictions, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a big surprise for you.